Hi, I'm Michelle from Lakeland Retreats in Ambleside. Lakeland Retreats is an independently owned, family-run business. We look after beautiful holiday cottages throughout the Lake District. Myself and my husband own the business. I was born and raised in Ambleside, and Adam was born and raised in Windermere, and we love where we live. We're really lucky to be working with our owners from our cottage portfolios who were just getting a little bit lost with a big corporate agency and feeling that they were a little bit like a number. And when they come to Lakeland Retreats, they get our contact information, they get my mobile number. You know, we really are a personal service. If you have a holiday home in the Lake District and you're not sure about the management or which direction to take it, or you just want a chat, to put the kettle on and have a cup of tea with me, please go to our owners section on the website and fill out a form, give me a name, give me a number, and I'll get in touch really soon.